right, Divine Collective. So we are starting out with trust the universe. And then I heard Spirit say that someone was trying to cover their tracks, okay? And now I'm getting an unyielding spirit. So I wanted to look that up, Divine Collective. What is an unyielding spirit? I'm very curious. What is an unyielding spirit? So, Divine Collective, an unyielding spirit is a person or inner quality that refuses to give up, bend, or surrender in the face of hardship, opposition, or adversity. It describes someone who remains steadfast, determined, and resilient even when circumstances are difficult. Okay? This is a very positive term. It has a very positive meaning: perseverance, courage, faith, and endurance. Someone with an unyielding spirit keeps moving forward despite challengings, okay? In a spiritual context, Divine Collective, an unyielding spirit often refers to remaining firm in your faith and convictions, refusing to let fear, discouragement, or adversity separate you from your purpose, standing strong through spiritual battles, and trusting in God's guidance, okay? So you have an unyielding spirit, Divine Collective. Spirit is asking you to trust the universe. People respect you, okay? People respect you here. Continue moving in silence, I'm hearing. Someone is trying to be calculated here. What's this about, Spirit? I feel someone being calculated, kind of sneaky in this energy. Spirit says it's nobody's fault. They did this, okay? Someone is trying to cover their tracks. I'm hearing it's nobody's fault. This person could be blame shifting, pointing fingers. However, it's nobody's fault. They did this, Spirit says. What they did is they lied in hopes that you'd be unalived, Divine Collective. That's what I'm getting right away. Lied in hopes that you would be unalive. But you kept going, Spirit says. You kept going. There's that unyielding spirit, Divine Collective. Someone here is now feeling broken and alone. I'm getting arrested development. There's a coworker who lied on you. This is who could be feeling broken and alone. I'm getting cocaine, alcohol, some type of overdose here, Divine Collective. Spirit says they sold their soul. This person sold their soul. Okay. Wow. Lied in hopes that you would be unalive. The skeletal system is of significance. I'm getting the bones, skull, the spine, the ribs, Divine Collective. It's time to step into your own power, Spirit says. No more waiting, no more outsourcing your power. Step into your own power here. A lot of you have accepted no closure in the situation here because you don't trust this person anyway, Divine Collective. Something about you don't trust them. They were warned to stop messing with you here. Their attempts have all been unsuccessful, Spirit is telling me. It's your confidence. They were confident that this plan would work, Divine Collective. But the tables have turned. Someone here was doing dark practices. I'm getting dark practices, using darker practices. I'm getting the sacrificial lamb in this reading. Someone is coming off in this energy. Again, be cautious. Very sneaky energy, Divine Collective. Wanting to get back into your energy because they want to cover their tracks somehow. They want you back, but they haven't changed, I'm hearing. Crybaby, victim mindset. We have the High Priestess here, okay? The High Priestess. Spirit says they thought they was going to run game on the High Priestess. Okay. That's cool. This is a very deceptive person, Divine Collective, who is being kicked out of your life, or they have been kicked out of your life. The neighbors. I've been picking up on the neighbors a lot lately, Divine Collective. The neighbors. Recognition, stability, legacy, energy. It's time to receive your blessings, Divine Collective, without guilt, because you've earned this through endurance. Okay? Someone here needs to go in the opposite direction. It would be very beneficial for them to go in the opposite direction of where you are at. Okay? You've transmuted all of this evil energy, and now it's time for you to rest and recharge, Divine Collective. You are being spoken of with admiration. I heard people respect you. Okay? Every weapon formed against you, you've alchemized, Divine Collective. Peace. You chose peace over drama. I know that's right. Spirit says this person will do anything for money. Again, they sold their soul here. They lied in hopes that you'd be unalived. Again, this is the type of person that will do anything for money. Okay, so now this person, they're numbing themselves. Like I said, I'm getting overindulgence here. There was cocaine, alcohol. Divine Collective. Wow. Nothing has gone wrong. You are exactly where you need to be, Divine Collective. They're mad because you keep giving to others. You're so nice, Divine Collective. Someone tried to incriminate you here. What's this about, Spirit? Clarify, incriminate. Your path. They tried to incriminate you on your path, Spirit is telling me. but you stepped into a broader perspective. Something about you switching your perspective here. You're carrying forward the wisdom you've earned and leaving behind what no longer serves your journey here, Divine Collective. And this person is very jealous of that. They're very jealous of you. This is something like a copycat energy, Divine Collective, with a sense of entitlement, I feel. This is someone who expects special treatment and automatic compliance with their expectations. Policies are of significance. I'm getting policies, chest pains. Policies and chest pains. I'm also getting voodoo dolls. Spirit says they can't outrun this karma. This coven of witches. Someone may be having a chest pain here, heart attack, Divine Collective. Trying to outrun karma. They have a voodoo doll on you, Divine Collective. They're trying to outrun the voodoo doll. Stuck in the past. Five of Swords, reverse. Frustration and failed conflict. The reversal suggests conflict, losing its grip. Attempts to provoke, manipulate, or keep a disagreement alive begin to lose momentum, Divine Collective, because these are very dangerous liars. This coven of witches, okay? 5 days, Spirit is saying, remember to avoid all conflict, Divine Collective. Do not willingly hand over your energy, and that is what you are doing when you argue, when you fraternize with these demons, when you argue back with these demons. You are willingly saying, here, you can have my energy, take it. You can have all of it, right? They know what they're doing. They know what they're saying is going to provoke you. They've studied you your entire life, Divine Collective. They know what it is that ticks you off. They know what it is, okay? Avoid conflict. Do not let these demons play with you, Divine Collective, okay? You have to play chess. You have to play chess. Spirit said that you have released an entire bloodline of dysfunctional friends, family, and old soul contracts. 9:30 on the clock. Yeah, there's a group of people here who tried to sacrifice you. They're not doing good at all, Divine Collective. They're doing really bad. You will overcome enemies and merit the respect of all. 9:43 on the clock, and you are about to be loaded, Divine Collective, okay? You have a gift coming in. The name Cassidy is here.